In today's video, I will walk you through how to invest in the S&P 500 in Vanguard. Once you have logged into your Vanguard account, head to the left-hand sidebar and scroll down. Select Invest Now or click on Investments. After selecting investments you currently have, along with any available cash in your account. Next, locate and select the Invest button. This will take you to the investment screen where you can choose between the next available price or a live price. When you click Invest, select the pricing option you want to use. In this example, choose Next Available Price. After making that selection, scroll down and click Add More Investments. Then, go down to Equity Funds and select the plus icon. This will open a list of all available equity funds on Vanguard. Scroll through the list until you reach the USA section. You may see UK funds first, so continue scrolling down until you find the USA category. Under this section, locate S&P 500 ETF Accumulating, listed as VUA. The accumulating option means that any dividends that would have been paid to you are automatically reinvested into the S&P 500. Those reinvested dividends continue to accumulate over time. Once you have selected the fund, enter the amount you would like to invest. After entering your investment amount, click Next at the bottom of the page. You will then be taken to the payment section. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. After choosing your payment method, click Submit at the bottom of the screen. Once your submission has been completed, your investment request will be processed. You will then receive a confirmation email once the investment has been made into the S&P 500. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can invest in the S&P 500 through Vanguard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.